Today let us going to learn about the problems based on the fractions chapter. Okay. So let us going to discuss about this problem. Look here. What he was given. There are 500 eggs in a box. There are 500 eggs in a box. 3 by 25 pot 3 by 25 got broken. Okay, 3 by 25 pot got broken. And 4 by 5 of the remaining eggs were sold. The number of eggs left is. Okay, look here, all of you. First of all, you need to understand the question. Then only you will do the solution. Total eggs are 500. Yes or no? The total eggs are 500. You can do it by the direct method also. Look here. How much part is broken? 3 by 25 part is broken. Here I am writing the total eggs. Total eggs. Total eggs are 500. Then broken eggs. Eggs were broken. Broken eggs are 3 by 25 part. 3 by 25 means how many eggs? You need to find out that. Then only you will get answer. Okay, look here. How many eggs were broken? 3 by 25. But 3 by 25 means how many eggs? 3 by 25th part means how many eggs? Denominator describes that total part. Denominators describe the total part. Okay, the numerator describe the filled part. Yesterday we have discussed it. Yes sir?
Yes sir.
Yesterday what we have discussed? I have drawn this shape. 3 parts I have divided. One part is filled, I said. Total parts are how much? 3. One part is filled means 1 by 3. I said. That means here also total parts how much?
25.
Totally you have 25 parts. That means 25 parts means how many eggs? 500 eggs. My dear students, here the total parts are 25. That means 25 parts are equal to 500. 25 parts are equal to 500. So then, here I am writing here 25 parts. That means these are whole part. That means total parts. Total parts are 25. Then total eggs are also. Then total eggs are 500. That means 25 parts are equal to 500 eggs. 25 parts are equal to 500 eggs. So listen, according to the question, what he is saying, so he has given a box. In this box, how many eggs are there? 500 eggs are there. 500 eggs are there. That means these 500 eggs are equal to 25 parts. Okay. This is a box. According to the question, he is saying that in a box you have 500 eggs. Okay. This is a box. In this box 500 eggs are there. But this 500 this box is divided into how many parts? 25 parts. Okay, I am dividing into 25 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 25 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. All are 25. 25 parts are there. Okay. All of you, look at on the blackboard. 25 parts are equal to 500 eggs. This is one part, this is the second part, third, fourth, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part, eighth part, ninth part, 10th part, like this. 25 parts are there. In every part, how many eggs are there?
5.
Tell me.
5.
If you have 5 eggs,
50.
no.
25.
No. How many eggs are there?
In one part.
If you know that, you will get answer. Okay, listen. My dear students, listen. First of all, let us go to discuss about the question. You understand? After that, we will do solution. Okay. Here, 3 by 25 is given. Total parts are 25. Yeah. In total parts, in these total 25 parts, how many parts were broken? 3 parts were broken. 3 by 25th parts are broken. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means all total parts are 25. Among these 25 parts, 3 parts were broken. That means okay, 3 parts broken. 1, 2, 3. These 3 parts X were broken. What we are discussing here? These 3 parts X were broken. These 3 parts X were broken. These are how many X? Then these are how many X? You want to know that. If you know that, you will complete half solution. Okay. So tell me, these 3 parts means how many X? Now understand the question along with.
Yes, sir.
60. Okay, my dear students, let us think about that question. These 3 parts means how many X? I am asking you that question. Tell me.
Sir, 75.
How many? 75?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, 75, sir. Yes, sir.
Huh?
Box 60.
Very good. You have talent. I like it.
Sir.
How many?
60.
60.
Yes, sir. Division.
Very good. One part means always you have to do the division. Here total parts are 25.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In one part how many X are there? You want to know that.
Yes, sir. 20.
Total X are 500. Total parts are 25. Then one part means how much?
20.
You want to know that. One part is equal to how much?
20.
Okay. Otherwise, I am writing here 1 part X are equal to how much? 1 part X are equal to how much? Simply divide. 500 is divided by 25.
Yes, sir.
25 2s are 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. This 0, finally you carry down 0. That is why you can write here. That means every part has how many X? 20 X. Every part has 20 X. Every part has 20 X. देखो 5 parts है ना?
100, sir, 100.
See 1, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 100,
100,
200, 300, 400,
500.
Over. Here asking about one part. When he is asking about the one part, you need to divide. Okay. So when he is asking about one part, you have to divide. Then you will get one part value. Here 500 is divided by 25. So 25 20s are 500. You will get 20. Okay. That means one part X are equal to 20. Look here. Yeah, one part X are equal to 20. One part. In one part you have 20X. Okay, in one part you have 20X. All of you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
See, total parts are 25. Total parts are 25. I have drawn 25 parts, yes or no? In these total parts, in these total 25 parts, how many parts were broken?
3.
3 parts means how many X?
20, 60. 60.
One part has 20. Part is 60.
That's
Yes
it.
or no?
That's it.
That means look here. One part is equal to 20. Then 3 parts.
60.
3 parts are equal to 3 into 20. It is equal to 60x. 60x were broken. That means 3 parts means broken x. Broken x. Broken x were 60. Broken x are 60. Broken x are 60. Okay. Look here. Broken x are 60. That means x. Now you have got
Yes, sir.
broken x. Okay, now tell me the solution. Look after the question. Once more, look after the question. Look here. There are 500x in a box. This type of box is there. In this box, how many x are there? 500x. Okay, there are 500x in a box. 3 by 25 got broken. 3 by, see, broken x.
Yes, sir.
Broken x are 3 by 25.
25.
Means total parts are 25. Among these, see, total parts are 25. Among these total parts, 3 parts, see, 3 parts were broken. 3 parts were broken. ये तीनों parts खराब हो गया. Okay. These 3 parts x were broken. बाकी सब ठीक है. ये 3 इंच break हो गया. Okay. Here 3 by 25 part x were broken. You have to know that these 3 parts means how many x? Broken x how many? You want to find out that. So to find out that, see, total parts are 25. Total parts are 25. 25 parts means equal to 500. Then you want to know one part value. Then one part x are equal to 20. You have to do the division. You will get 20. Then 3 parts means 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60. You know that total x are 500. How many x were broken? 60 x were broken. That means how many x are not broken? 440. 440 x are not broken. Yes or no? Now what he is saying? Now you have 440 x only. First, when you are bringing, when you purchase it in the shop, then you have 500 x with you.
Yes, sir.
But when you came to home, then 60 x were broken. That means how many x you have?
440.
440 x only. Yeah, now you have 440. Now what he is saying? 4 by 5 of the remaining x.
Remaining.
Okay, 4 by 5 of the remaining x. 4 by 5 of the remaining x were sold. 4 by 5 of the remaining x were sold. That means now how many x were left? 440. Among those 440 x, 4 by 5 of the x were sold. 4 by 5 of the x were sold. Then the number of x left with him. Then how many x were left? He is asking. Okay, he is asking that question. Let us do this solution. Yes, remaining x, broken x this much. Then remaining x. Remaining x 500 minus 60 are equal to 440. 440 x are left with you. Okay. Now 440 x are left. Now among these 440 x, 4 by 5 part is sold out. Okay, 4 by 5 part is sold out. That means 4 by 5 part is how many x? You want to know. Simply 4 by 5 of how many x? 440. You can do this. You will get answer. Look here. 4 by 5 of means into 440. Then 5 ones are 5. 44 is there. 5 8s are 40. 44 is there. 4 will be left. Then here also 40. Again 5 8s are 40. That means 4 into 88. How much? 4 8s are 32. 2 3 carry. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. That means 352 x were sold. Okay, 352 x were sold. 4 by 5 part is sold now. That means 4 by 5 part is 352 x. 352 x were sold. 352 x were sold. This much of x were sold. These x were sold. How many x were left? He is asking. How many x were left? Okay. You have how many x? 440. 40. How many eggs were sold? 352. You can subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 3. You can borrow 1. That means 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here what? 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. That means how many eggs were left? 88 eggs are left with you. Okay. All of it you understand? Total eggs were 500. Total eggs are 500. Among these 500 eggs, 3 by 25 part is broken. So that means 3 by 25 part is broken among 500 eggs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
3 by 25 part is broken of 500 eggs.
Yes, sir.
You can write that only. 3 by 25 of 500. You can do this solution. You will get remaining eggs. Just let's do this. 3 by 25 of means into 500. Look here. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 25 twos are 50. 0, 0. That means 25 20s are 500. What do you have left? 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60. Look. 60 eggs were broken. 60 eggs were broken. So, broken eggs are 60. Now you want remaining eggs. Because why you should find the remaining eggs? Because 4 by 5 part of the remaining eggs only sold. That is why you need to find out here remaining eggs. Okay, let us find out remaining eggs. Remaining eggs. Subtract. Total eggs are 500. Broken eggs are 60. How much remain? 440. 500 minus 60 is 440. These are remain eggs. Yes sir, these are remained eggs. This much of eggs were remained. Among these remained eggs, now this much of eggs were remained. 440 eggs are remained. So among these remained eggs, he sold 4 by 5 part. Let us find out sold eggs. Sold eggs, it is equal 4 by 5 part of remained eggs, 440. Let's do it. 4 by 5 into of means into 440. There 5 ones are 5. 5 4 is 5 8s are 40. 4 will be left. 5 8s are 40. Now 4 8s are 4 8s are 32, 2, 3 carry, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 3 is 35. That means 352 eggs were sold. Eggs were sold. Okay. You have 440 eggs only. You have 440 eggs only. Okay. Among these eggs, he sold 352 eggs. How many eggs are remain? He is asking. So you can subtract. 440 minus 352. How much? 10 minus 8 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 3. That means you can borrow 1. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. That means 88 eggs were left. Okay, 88 eggs are left. Okay, you can write.